Good morning, student. In continuation with the previous board work, we are continuing the see what are the things we have seen in the previous board work. What is algebraic expression? What is the parts of algebraic expression? And what are the types depending upon the terms present in the expression? Monomial, binomial means two term, monomial means single term, and trinomial means three terms are present. Three terms expressions are present. And generally we will call it as a polynomial. In continuation with that one, we are going to see what is the next topic in that one. What is the next one? Like terms and unlike terms. Already you have studied in lower classes. What is called like term and unlike term? See the example: 2x square, 3x square, 3xy minus 15xy, half minus half is z cube, and minus 100 is z cube. You see all the variable part. X square, whatever may be the numericals. Xy, here also xy, whatever may be the numerical. X cube and x cube, here also. If the variable present in each term, if the variable is present in each term, x square, forgot about the coefficient of the numericals. Z cube, xy. If the variable are same, algebraic expression having the same variables are termed as like term. X cube, xy, x square. The variable terms are same, so they are called like term. Then what about the unlike term? Opposite. You see example 2, 3x square, 7y square. Minus 4xy, half z. See, when you compare this one, x square, y square is there in between these two terms. No common variable. Here x square term, here y square variable is there. Here xy is there, here z is there. So, algebraic expression having different variables, that means no common variable, same variable, are termed as unlike terms. Okay, whatever the number might be present, only the variable part you have to see. X square, y square, x, z, xy. So when the algebraic expression containing the terms of different variables, that is called unlike terms. Okay. And next part in that algebraic, first what is algebraic expression? Parts of algebraic expression, types of algebraic expression: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Generally it is called as expression polynomial. And what is like term in each term? What is in each expression? What is like term? What is unlike term? Seeing the term, we have to see the variable, not the numerical value. So we will consider the variables are equal, same mean they are called like term. If the variables are different mean, that expression is termed as unlike terms. Okay, that is this one. Next topic. What is next one? After what is polynomial? What is monomial? What is after learning that one? After seeing what is like term and unlike term, what is our next topic? How to apply in the addition and subtraction the like term and unlike term. Addition and subtraction in the algebraic expression. Okay, how to add, how to minus, subtraction in the using the algebraic expression. One example I have written, you see, addition example: 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y. 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y. And second expression, minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. Okay, you have to add this one. So first expression is 4yz plus zx minus 4y. First one you write like this: 4yz plus 9zx minus of 4y. Okay, I have written the first expression. You see this one, second expression, write it under the same variable. Minus 3xz. Where is xz is there? Here. Zx and xz are same because it is multiplication. So you have to write it under this one. You have to see the variable xz. Here xz is there below it. Minus 3xz. Both are same. And 5x where it is there? Is it 5x is there? No. So write it separately. 5x separately. And second one, minus xy minus xy minus 2xy. Where is that minus 2xy is here? No, only y term is there. That also you write it separately. Minus 2xy. Okay. Then you have to add. How to add it? Here nothing is there. 0. Here also nothing is there. 0. Here also nothing is there. 0. So here also nothing is there. 0. Then what is the expression you add it? 4 4yz. And 9 minus 3. 9 subtraction 3, different sign. 9 is greater, minus 3 is smaller. 9 minus 3 plus 6 xz. Then minus 4y. 4y ka term is there? No. Minus 4y as it is. Then plus of x. Then minus of 2xy. Okay. So this is your answer. What I have written here, you see? Add 4yz plus 9zx minus of 4y and this one minus 3xz plus of 5x minus 2xy. You have to add both the expression. First I have written the first expression 4yz as it is plus 9zx minus 4y as it is. Then I am seeing the second expression first to top minus 3xz under 3xz I am writing minus 3xz and 5x there is no x term so I am writing separately and xy term there is no xy term I am writing separately. I am adding the term 4yz with 0 nothing is there so same here 9 minus 3 9 minus 3 6 plus 6 because plus number is greater xz and minus 4y plus 5x minus 2xy minus because they start having any like term in this one as it is I am writing okay by adding this one okay this is addition in the algebraic expression. What about the subtraction in the algebraic expression? You see what they are asking in the subtraction 5x square minus 4y square plus of 6y subtract from means 7x square plus 8y square minus 3y. From means from this number you have to subtract the first expression. From second expression you have to minus the second expression. So subtraction what you will do? Subtraction from the second expression you have to minus the first expression. So what you have to do? First second expression you have to write first 7x square plus 8y square then next term minus 3y okay minus from this you have to minus which one 5x square under x square term I am writing 5x square and minus 4y square I am writing and plus 6y under y term I am writing. See x square term written, y square term I have written, y and y I have written according to the given expression. What is given here? Subtraction. 5x square minus y square plus 6y. From this one you have to subtract. From if they are given means from the second expression you have to minus the first expression. So second expression as it is I have written. First expression under the same like term I have written y square x square y. Then I am putting minus sign. Then you have to convert the sign. If it is minus, if you are minusing means like division you are minusing or you are minusing. This sign will change. This is plus 5. This will become minus 5. Minus into plus minus. Then minus into minus it will become plus. Positive will become negative. Negative will become positive. Here also positive, this will become negative. Now you have to subtract it. See, first expression, second expression are written, minus of the first expression are written. Then I am doing the sign change. Minus of plus, minus. Then minus of minus, plus. Minus of plus, minus. Now we have to use this sign. 7 minus 5x square. So 2x square. Then 8 plus of 4. This sign you have to use plus of 4. 8 plus 4 plus 12y square. Then minus 3 minus 6, minus means you have to add. So minus 3 minus 6 means minus 9. Okay, this is your answer. So what you have seen here, what are like term and what are unlike term. If the algebraic term, if you are having same variable, they are called like term. If it is a different variable, they are called unlike term. And using that like term formula and unlike term formula, for what purpose we are using? For calculating the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. One example I have taken, 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y, and add with another this expression minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. Then I am writing the first expression as it is. And second expression according to the like term I am writing minus 3xz means under zx or xz I am writing. And 5x no term like term is there. Minus 2xy no like term I am separately writing. Then I am adding. In addition, no need of sign change. Directly you have to add. 4 means 4yz. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 6. So 6 plus is greater plus xz. Here 4 0 nothing is there. Minus 4y plus 5 plus 5. Here also no term is there. Minus 2xy. So when there is no term, same term you can write it. You have to consider that is 0. Okay. And in subtraction, they are given 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y from 7x square plus 8y square minus 3y. From this one you have to subtract them. From means second term to the first term. So first term second term I am writing here. So next expression 7x square plus 8y square minus 3y. First I am writing this one. Under 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y I am writing. Then I am putting minus and I am changing the sign, subtraction sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Then this sign I am using. 7 minus 5, 2x square. 8 plus of 4, 12y square. Minus 3 minus 6, minus 9y. So this is addition and subtraction. These are some example problem I have given. And after this one, we will go for the exercise number 9.1. where what is expression, algebraic expression, what is monomial, binomial, trinomial, and what are like term, unlike term, how to subtract and add the given algebraic expression. We will do it in the later classes. Okay, up to this one today we will stop. Thank you.